Hello, sports fans, and welcome to the Scott Sports 101 Sunday Night Football postgame show. Well, the Buffalo Bills beat the Pittsburgh Steelers 17-10 tonight at Heinz Field in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. The Steelers got the ball first, and they got to the 20-yard line, and then the Bills intercepted it at the Steelers' 32-yard line. The Bills took advantage of every opportunity. The Steelers intercepted the football. The Steelers struggled both offensively and defensively tonight in this game. The Bills had 5 takeaways in this game against the Steelers. The Bills hold on and beat the Steelers and clinch a playoff spot in the AFC. The Bills jumped out to a 7-0 lead, and the Steelers kicked the field goal, and it was 7-3. That's what it was at the halftime. It was scores in the first quarter, and then the Steelers took a 10-7 lead, and then the Bills kicked the field goal in the fourth because it was 10-17 in the third, and then it was tied 10-10. And then the Steelers intercepted again, and then Buffalo took advantage of it, and they held on. They scored another touchdown, and that was just about all they needed. They go on to win the game, so I have to give the game ball to Josh Allen. By far, you get the game ball tonight, buddy. It's you. So, he really had a great night tonight, and I just gotta tip my hat to the Buffalo Bills. You gotta give credit to where credit is due. And but the Steelers, things just went wrong the whole night, and they just were not ready for this game. It was a tight game, but they just could not come away with the win, and they made too many mistakes, and there were too many penalties tonight in this game. And I just feel that the Steelers could have played better ball tonight, even though it was a tight game. But the Bills just played a much better game, and you just got to give credit to where credit is due. And that's to the Buffalo Bills. And so I got to tip my hat to the Bills. So, regarding the picks of the week, I took Pittsburgh and lost. My brother-in-law took Buffalo, and they won tonight. So I am now 10-6. My brother-in-law is 11-4. So I am unfortunately going to lose the picks this week. But we have one more game tomorrow, and that's the New Orleans Saints and the Indianapolis Colts at the Mercedes-Benz Superdome in New Orleans. And that should be a pretty good game tomorrow. And we've both taken the Saints, my brother-in-law Eric Hoyle and I. And I want to let you know, and I will be that he will be joining me along with his cousin Aaron Hoyle on Christmas Day for a special edition of Scott Sports 101, a special holiday edition, holiday Christmas Day edition of Scott Sports 101. So look forward to that. And but you just gotta tip your hat to the Bills because they really played a great game tonight, and we got a lot of upsets this week in the NFL. Some interesting games this week, and the Bills they played a great game tonight, and and this was just one of those games where it was kind of tight, but the opposing team, the underdog, just pulled away with the game and pulled away with the lead, and which was the Bills, and they just went on to win this game tonight. So that's why it was just the Bills' night, and things just did not go the Steelers' way, and they fall to 6. And the Steelers need to help the Browns out, because if the Steelers can lose, they'll go to 8-7, and the Browns, if they can win next week, will go to 7-8. Then they need to help us out the following week so we can go to 8-8, and so that the Steelers can fall at 8-8. So, and then find out who's going to make the playoffs. So we'll see what happens, but I'm not going to get my hopes up on that. and we'll just have to wait and see. Well, that's just about going to wrap it up for the Scott Sports 101 Sunday Night Football post-game show. I'll be back tomorrow with the Monday Night Football pregame show and post-game show. But until then, always remember, be a team player each and every day, and every way possible. So long, everybody. 3, 2, 1, I'm done.